So you want to recover your hacked Instagram account? Well, congratulations, because you just found a very special video that will be taking you through all you need to understand in recovering your hacked Instagram account. So yeah, without wasting much more time, let's get right into the video. And make sure to stay to the very end, as at the end of this video I'm going to be sharing an exclusive solution to your problem. So make sure to watch to the very end. Now, this is the first thing you want to do in case you are being hacked on Instagram. The very first thing you want to do is to head to the login page. All right, now when you head to the login page, rather than you inserting your details, you want to go for the option of forgot password. This is the first method of recovering your hacked Instagram account. All right, once you click on forgotten password, you want to insert either your phone number, your email address, or your username. All right, so all you have to do after inserting whatever you want to insert is to click on this area of send login link. For example, let's say my username is KidKes. All you have to do is to click on send login link. All right, so this is the first method. All right, now most people are having issues of the hacker already changing their email address or changing their phone number or their username. If this is your case, please know that no matter the changes the hacker makes, Instagram would always send you a feedback mail. All right, you can check your spam or you can check all mails in whatever mail you're using. Instagram would have alerted you that your account password or your account username or your email is being changed. If you did not do this, kindly click on this link. Instagram would send this feedback mail. All right, now in case you didn't receive that mail, but ideally you should receive that mail, but what scenario if you didn't receive that mail? All right, then we move to the next method. If you didn't receive that mail, we move to the next method of recovering your hacked Instagram account. So you want to head to the site help.instagram.com. please, you can do this on your mobile device as well. All right, so you want to head to the site help.instagram.com. so it's going to take you to the help center. All right, so now we're concerned about our account being hacked, so you want to type in over here hacked. All right, once you type in hacked, it's going to bring out articles on accounts being hacked. So this is what you want to head to. All right, or in case you think, but then want to head to the one for hacked Instagram account. So now what you want to do is to click on hacked Instagram account, and now we have the area where we need to visit the page on either your desktop or your mobile browser to secure the account. So this is the link you want to click on. All right, once you click on this link, all right, once you click on this link, it will take you to this particular Instagram support page. Now all you have to do in this form is to click on my account got hacked. All right, once you click on my account got hacked, all you have to do next is to click on next. All right, and now in this particular area you want to insert your username or your phone number or email address related to the account that was hacked. Immediately you insert this and you click on next, Instagram are going to send you a message to that particular email address that is connected to this particular account. And now when they send it to you, they're going to ask you to verify that this is you. Now in the message, you're going to see two means of verification. Usually it's always the video verification, and then the second one is always in case you don't have pictures on your Instagram account. So they will have to actually tell you to verify via a normal mail. All right, so this is what happens immediately you insert your details over here and click on next. Now in case you also do this and you don't still recover your account, all right, that's method one. Method one was normal forgotten password. Method two now is through the help.instagram.com. now the next method in this video is gonna be through the Instagram email support. All right, now the normal Instagram email support is you're going to go to your normal email address or email account, and then you want to type to support@instagram.com. when you type to support@instagram.com, you want to insert account hacked as your subject, and then you want to insert your details in the body, starting with your name, your username, your phone number, every single detail that is related to your account. And then you want to tell them my account got hacked, please help, and then thanks and best regards. If you want, you can feel free to add your screenshots of your account that was hacked how it looks like, your pictures and your current pictures. Even without you doing your video verification, you can add the picture of yourself as well as the picture on the account to make it easier for the support team to support you. Now, I mentioned something at the start of this video. These are actually 3 major methods for you to recover your account. Now, in case you've lost the access to your email address or your email account or your phone number, if that is actually your own case, you got hacked and now you don't even have access to your email and your phone number, the only thing you can do is you need to contact your email provider. If it's a Gmail account, all you have to do is to go to the site Account Recovery for Google, and then from there all you have to do is to follow the on-screen instructions. If it's going to be other email providers, all you have to do is to just search for Account Recovery and then type in the particular email address or the email provider. Definitely they would have their own on-screen recovery. All you have to do is to regain access to it. It's actually very important, and Instagram cannot help you with regaining access to your email. Only your email provider can assist you with that. And then if it's the scenario of your phone number, the same thing applies. You have to request for a SIM swap. If that's the case, you need to visit a branch of your SIM provider. Depending on the country you're in, you just have to visit the branch and then request for a SIM swap. So they're going to be using that same number but then inserting it in a different SIM, and then from there you can continue with your Instagram recovery. If that's the case, all you have to do, just a quick example, just head to the site Account Recovery. If it's going to be Google, for example, which is actually the most used, all right, you just say Account Recovery. As you guys can see, this is it over here, this is it over here. So recovery, yeah, this is it here. Once you click on this, exactly, so it's going to come here to how to recover your Google account, and then all you have to do is to scroll down. You can see all the methods on how to recover your Gmail account. All right, and then they also have the steps for recovery itself. All right, so if you read through, you can see starting with the forgot your password method, and then we have the forgot email method, and then we have the recovery over here. All right, so this is the one you want to head for. All right, and then once you head for it, you want to come to this area of account recovery page. All right, you want to come here, and this is where you're going to follow the on-screen instruction after inserting your phone number or your email that is linked. All right, now all you have to do is to just follow the steps to recover it. Same thing applies to whatever email provider you're using. Once again, if it's Hotmail, if it's Yahoo, whatever you're using, and all you have to do is just to recover it and continue with the Instagram. All right, now I mentioned something that I'm going to add an exclusive content exclusive resolution to recovering your Instagram account. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is please try to reach out to me via any of my socials right now. Don't forget to subscribe. Drop a like on the video, and also share this video with your friends and family members, and feel free to also save for future purpose or future reference. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to send me a message via any of my socials right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video.